Alright, new Zippo under the microscope camera. This is a beautiful custom Zippo. It is a Sterling Zippo 2023 Armor. And here we go. Look at all those little stars. That is amazing. Look at all those little guys. Any Zippo collector knows that high polished is almost impossible to be completely scratch free. You can't see these from the naked eye, but we're 30 times. So you're going to see just about any imperfections. And nothing is perfect. Remember that. Nothing is perfect. The big Z. It's just the lines are so crisp. Crisp like a red delicious. They really did a real good job on this one. It's like you almost wouldn't know that those little dots were stars and designs.
It's amazing you did that like that.
All right. Well, thank you everybody.